Drafty rooms, uneven temperatures, and rising energy bills are common frustrations for many homeowners. If you've ever felt a sudden chill near your windows or noticed your home struggling to stay cool in the summer, poor installation may be the root of the problem. In Dallas, where temperatures can swing from hot summers to cooler winters, proper installation plays a critical role in maintaining comfort. Here's how quality installation helps prevent drafts and keeps your home running efficiently. One of the main causes of drafts is improper sealing during installation. Even the highest quality windows or doors won't perform well if gaps are left around the frame. These small openings allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Professional installation ensures that every edge is tightly sealed, eliminating those hidden gaps that can lead to discomfort. Another important factor is proper fitting. Every home is unique, and window or door openings are not always perfectly uniform. Experienced installers take precise measurements and make necessary adjustments to ensure a snug fit. In Dallas homes, where heat can be intense, even a small misalignment can allow warm air to seep inside. A properly fitted installation creates a barrier that keeps outdoor elements where they belong. Insulation also plays a key role in preventing drafts. During a quality installation, professionals use appropriate insulating materials around the frame to block airflow. This added layer of protection helps maintain indoor temperatures and reduces the workload on your HVAC system. In a climate like Dallas, where air conditioning is heavily relied upon, proper insulation can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and energy costs. Flashing and weatherproofing are additional steps that should never be overlooked. Flashing is used to direct water away from the window or door opening, while weatherproofing materials protect against moisture and air infiltration. When installed correctly, these components work together to create a tight, durable seal. Without them, your home becomes vulnerable not only to drafts but also to water damage over time. Poor installation can also lead to long-term structural issues. When air and moisture are allowed to enter through gaps, they can weaken surrounding materials, leading to rot, mold, or warping. This not only affects your home's integrity but can also create ongoing draft problems. Quality installation helps prevent these issues from developing, ensuring your windows and doors perform as intended for years to come. Another benefit of professional installation is improved energy efficiency. When drafts are eliminated, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain your desired temperature. This results in lower energy consumption and reduced utility bills. For Dallas homeowners, where cooling costs can be significant during the summer, this improvement can lead to substantial savings over time. Comfort is also greatly enhanced when drafts are properly addressed. No more cold spots near windows in the winter or warm air sneaking in during the summer. Instead, you'll enjoy a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment throughout your home. This makes everyday living more enjoyable and helps create a space where you can truly relax. In addition to comfort and efficiency, quality installation also contributes to noise reduction. Properly sealed windows and doors help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. This is especially beneficial for homes located in busy areas or near high-traffic streets. Ultimately, investing in quality installation is just as important as choosing the right windows or doors. Even the best products won't perform well without proper installation. By working with experienced professionals, Dallas homeowners can ensure their homes are well sealed, energy efficient, and protected from the elements. If you're dealing with drafts or planning an upgrade, don't overlook the importance of installation. Quality workmanship makes all the difference, helping you achieve a more comfortable, efficient, and long-lasting home.